Welcome back. In this video, we'll see what are the new features which has been added into Windows Server 2025 edition. As part of the security update, Microsoft has added a lot many features into Windows Server 2025. With Active Directory, there is a 32K database page size, which is optional feature, and Active Directory schema updates, Active Directory object repair, DC location algorithm improvements, and improved security for default machine account passwords. And there is an update for Kerberos, and also the LDAP has been enabled by default, which is LDAP encryption, and there is an LDAP support for TLS 1.3. And if you are working in a hybrid environment, Azure Arc extends the capabilities of Azure platform. We can create the applications and services which can operate in on-prem and also in the Azure cloud. Desktop shell is similar to Windows 11 operating system. We have installed the Windows Server 2025 operating system and checked the look and feel of the server. It looks similar to Windows 11 interface. There is also DMSA, which is Dedicated Managed Service Account, which you can easily use for migrate your service accounts. If you wanted to monitor your server performance and troubleshoot the server performance in a real time, you can use the dtrace utility. You can now add the following email and accounts on your Windows Server 2025, which can be Microsoft Enter ID, which is Azure Active Directory, Microsoft account, which is your Outlook ID or Hotmail ID, or your official ID or your school account. If you are facing any issues while running Windows Server 2025 operating system, you can record the process of the issues, and you can also take the screenshot and send it to Microsoft with the issue. File compression. Now Windows Server 2025 supports zip, 7Z and tar compression formats. Pinned apps. These are the default pinned apps in Windows Server 2025 under Start menu. In case if you wanted to customize the pinned apps for the applications which you have recently used, you can always customize. Remote access protocol. If you are using VPN and if you are using PPTP and L2TP as the protocols, since these protocols are considered as less secured by default in Windows 2025, these protocols has been disabled. The PPTP and L2TP protocols has been disabled. You can still enable these protocols, but SSTP and IKEv2 based VPN connections are still accepted. SMB protocol. In Windows Server 2025, there has been many updates or changes for SMB protocol, which has been introduced for QUIC, signing and encryption. SMB protocol is used for accessing your shared folders via the internet or via the local area network. Task Manager. We have already seen after installing the Windows Server 2025, the look and feel of the Windows Server 2025 interface is similar to Windows 11. Wi-Fi. Wireless LAN service feature is now installed by default. This service is set to manual, and we will be able to start the service by using the command WLAN-SVC in the command prompt or Windows terminal or even PowerShell. Windows Container Portability. If you are running containers on your Windows operating system, then you will be able to use the feature to move the containers from one operating system to another operating system or even to the cloud using the Azure Kubernetes service or the Docker. Windows Local Administrator Password Solution. In case if you wanted to generate the password for the local administrator account and store them securely in Active Directory, you can use this service. Winjet. Winjet is a package manager tool in Windows Server 2025, and this Winjet is installed by default in the server operating system. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.